Coming up in this video, I've got a very simple but very tasty cocktail that you can make at home using Dead Man's Fingers brand new mango flavoured rum. It is delicious. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the barman and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits even more. Big shout out to my Patreons. We've got Ben, we've got Mark, we've got Christopher, we've got Lucy. Thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. This is another very simple cocktail with mango, Dead Man's Fingers mango rum. What I want you guys to do once I've made a cocktail, I want you to name it. So come up with creative names. I'm useless at naming cocktails. Stick your suggestions in the comments below and then I'll pick my favourite one. We might even put it to a vote, but I'll pick my favourite one and that will go into my cocktail book, which you can get the upgrade in my Patreon, in my memberships here. Right, this one, to give you a kind of idea, it's kind of like a sunrise. Normally I would do ice at the end, but I'm going to ice up this cocktail first. We're going to shake it in two parts. So, plenty of ice. This is my quality sort of Dead Man's Fingers skull. It's got Dead Man's Fingers there, love it. This will work a treat. So, bit of ice in there, perfect. Right, cocktail shaker for the first part. We are going just 5 ml of pomegranate syrup or grenadine, just 5 ml. And then I'm going 50 ml of cranberry and raspberry juice. I think this works a treat. I love cranberry and raspberry juice, better than cranberry. So I'm going 50 ml of that. Let's just wash out the grenadine. So 25. And there we go, 50. Now, just need to very quickly shake that. The reason why I've added a little bit of grenadine in the bottom there is just to give it a little bit of thickness so it will sit at the bottom. Actually, for the size of that glass, I made this in a slightly different glass. I'm actually going to add 75 ml. There we go. Right, ice that up, give it a good shake. There we go, plenty of ice. Right, tin on, just give it a good shake. You just want to give that grenadine into the cranberry juice, just to give it that little bit of thickness. Right, there we go, that'll do. Just a very quick shake. Just quickly strain, and that can go into the bottom. Yeah, that'll work perfectly. Right, now, the next part of this, we're going to shake this again. Just get rid of that. Get rid of that. That'll do. Perfect. Right, now we're going for the rum. 50 ml of your rum. There we go. That's your rum. 2 more ingredients with this. First ingredient, I'm going coconut water. Again, I've mentioned this in previous videos. I've got no affiliation to this. It's just what I kind of buy. This has got little chunks of coconut in it. I kind of like it. Go Vita Coco if you really want. That's not a problem. It's a 50 ml of coconut water. There we go. And then the final ingredient is just some freshly squeezed orange juice. Again, supermarket owned is fine, but just make sure it's freshly squeezed, not the concentrate stuff, because it will taste better. So 50 ml, double bubble of that. So 50, 50, 50. All right. Now, we just want to shake this down with a bit more ice. There we go. Tin on. Give it a good shake. Again, good sort of 10-12 seconds, hard and fast shake. Right, when that's nice and chilled down, tin off. Right, and then hopefully what should happen if you pour it just slowly over the top ice cube. Yeah, you do. Look at that. Happy with that. Should be perfect. See, it's a good job I put that extra cranberry juice in, wasn't it? There we go. And then garnish wise, up to you. I've got a couple here. I've just got a pineapple leaf, pineapple spear, whatever you want to call it. And there we have it. As I say, it looks like a sunrise, but we want to call it something different. So stick your suggestions in the comments below, and I'll pick the favourite one for my Patreon, for my upgraded cocktail book. Look at that, isn't it cool? And there we have it. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you like this cocktail, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you want to see more of my future videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to set every time I set a new video live. And If you want to become a Patreon, if you want access to my exclusive content, my upgrades, my free cocktail book upgrades, check out my Patreon, links below. There we have it. Kind of a sunrise. Give it a name.